Wiring. Ew, I know. It's probably one of the most misunderstood parts of any headlight build or anytime you're doing custom lighting on your vehicle. That's the part that can really make or break it. Here at Sparksmith, we do it every day, and we wanted to start passing on some of that knowledge to you guys to help you get the most out of the products that you've bought. Morimoto Profile makes some fantastic products. If you don't wire them correctly, you can start having some serious issues, and it can seem like a product failure, but in fact, it was just something maybe not grounded right, something like that. If these are the kind of issues that you've ever faced, or if there's just something you want to know more detail about, come over to Instagram and join us on this journey. We're going to start doling out some nitty gritty details on automotive electrical and how to do it the right way, how to avoid costly mistakes, things like that. So come on over and check us out at Sparksmith Auto, and let's do this together. See you guys.